box dye from Dark and Lovely. Now I used 2 of the 396 Luminous Blonde and the 379 and the Beige Blonde, I believe it is. Now I'm going to use 3 of these hair dyes to kind of ombre or kind of balayage my hair. Now I only got the 379 just to ash it out a little bit just because it's an ash tone. The other 2 do come with a little bleaching powder in it, or like a little powder that you mix with the developer. So that's the reason why the hair will pick up a better color. I'm really excited about this because I just want to see what kind of color I can get. It's not going to be super duper blonde. If you want to, you can go in with some bleach and just do some highlights, which I'll probably do at the end. But for now, this is a method I'm going to use, and I'm going to see if it works. And if this works, I'm probably going to use this method often, just because when you bleach your hair, it just definitely takes a lot of the life out of the hair, and this process does not harm the hair at all. Alright guys, so I'm going to take my time to do this just so I can show you guys exactly how I do it. So there really isn't a method to my madness. I just really and honestly and truly just go on this sporadically and put the hair dye on. I did get 2 of the blondes that match and then 1 that's just kind of an ash color. With that hair dye, I'm just going to drop that all over it just to kind of give a little bit more of a cool tone. You guys will see, obviously in the beginning you saw what the hair looks like. It just, the color looks really good. Like, it's not too strong, it's not too brassy, and it's not too yuck. So I really do like the color. And honestly, you didn't have to bleach the hair by developer powder and all that kind of stuff. I use box dye to achieve this color, and I think the color is really nice. If you want to, you can go back in with some bleach and kind of put some highlights in it, which I'm probably going to do just to give myself more of a glam look. I just think that this hair entirely came out very nice. And as you guys can see, I'm just putting the dye all over it. There's no method to it. I wasn't parting it, nothing like that. I just left some of the black roots available, and then I just dye the rest. I'm going to do that along with the bundles as well too. And I'm not cutting the bundles open. I want to do it this way so I can get more dimensions in it. And I think this is going to work, guys. So I'm really, really excited about this. look of the hair I received from Ali Pearl Hair. Now, I did go in and color it, and I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. I kind of talked through on the hair dyes that I use and everything. You guys ask me often to kind of show you guys how I dye my units, so I wanted to show you guys how I did that. Now, this hair was completely dyed using box dye, and I'm actually really pleased with the actual results. I actually wanted it to be a little bit more blonde than this, but I can always go in with a little bit of bleach and add some highlights in if I want to. Some dimensions of this unit is kind of lighter than most parts. Like in the front here, you'll see like a little bit of light kind of blonde spots, but overall it's kind of like a nice light brown, or like kind of like a dark blonde ombre styled unit. I absolutely really love this unit, guys. It has like a really nice fluff to it, which, oh my god, I just spit, wow. So the hair has like a really nice fluff to it, and after I washed it, and I washed it twice and I let it air dry twice just because I really wanted the hair to have like a personality. So the hair is body wave texture, so you do get a lot of kind of lift on this hair and a kind of like a buff volume style. I did go in with my curling iron and I just put some curls in it. I felt like the closure just didn't really want to hold the curls as much as a bundle hair did, but I manipulated that using some hairspray and it actually worked out pretty fine. I didn't do like crazy baby hairs with this hair just because I like how the hair is, the frontal is it's kind of like really kind of like free parting. Like when I mean free parting, it's like really free parting. So I can just kind of do a flip over method with this one, and it looks like it's kind of like growing out of my head. So it definitely has kind of like one of those effects where you can just do a lot with the frontal. And if you know what I mean, leave your comments down below. So I just decided to do a side curve part and then just kind of like throw it over like this to kind of have like a kind of natural kind of front look instead of having like all this baby hair magic and flattening it out, because I wanted it to have like a little bit of a lift in the front so it kind of looked more glam and more kind of like ready for New Year's, kind of like holiday styled unit. So guys, I really do like this. I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this hair from this company. Like I said, I did make this unit myself custom. It is on a mesh dome cap, so it's not going to come to you like this. You have to create your own unit or do a sew-in or whatever you want. But I do like this hair, guys. I think it's very pretty. It's about 20 inches long, so it stops like just like where my boobs are at. It's not uber duper long, so that's one thing I actually really like because it's shorter, it has more volume, and it looks really glam and really pretty. So guys, like I said, I'll leave all the information down below for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair from this company. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!